Guys, welcome or welcome back to the YouTube channel. Y'all, it's that girl Nia and I'm back with another video. So on today's video, as I did promise earlier, the other vlog on my job, I go Smile Jamaica on Wednesday morning, today at Tuesday, but I have a camp. I never did really get carrying out through the packing process because I have my best friend back. So yeah, like fun feel. Anyways, I'm not get about it. But so let's go. I go school right now. I go take my bag and whatever. I go school. I hope you enjoy the vlog here. Just remember to subscribe, like, and share. And I will carry you guys with any other events I have planned. I go take up my bag and head out, guys. God, guys, maybe put on my shoes yet. I want to phone about you.
A few moments later.
Hey guys. Hey guys, so.
Are we in the vlog?
Yeah, Anna Bosch.
So guys, I'm on my way to TV show because we're going to rehearse at first.
You're going to sound check, huh?
We're going to sound check.
What are you going to rehearse?
Don't cut that out.
And don't delete that here.
Don't cut that out.
Because when I go on YouTube and I don't see it, they're going to load you up.
Yeah, man.
So don't ramp with me.
Hey guys, we're going to sound check.
Oh boy, you're going to rehearse.
And-
Think it's easy.
And then
Everyone was never load you up with that again too.
and then we are going come back our yard, rehearse.
We are.
Means
With the box side.
I come back at school.
Oh, Lord.
I say this got to be there, still hanging.
Bombard.
Damn!
Hanging on the wall. Sorry, me, I forgot the how many. Hanging out.
One, two, three.
I feel like jumping. No. But I have to stop a while ago. I will go off key a while ago.
Yeah.
The more you're talking about
So guys, we're at TVJ and this is the behind the scenes and whatever. Okay. Yeah.
No boy, my door. Yeah.
Just make sure to subscribe to It's That Girl Nia. Cause all them something I go over there. Do me? I said? Yeah. Wait, how we are post this?
They say they want to step on it.
Anyway, Pandit. Here, I'm gonna make. Yeah, idiot.
You're so smart.
A few moments later. Few inches later.
Fire. now I can give some money. Oh. Oh, then that's what it is.
See them over this.
Oh.
Watch TV, watch out.
How much Mr. Smith being a big instigator. Watch out.
Don't stop me there now. Watch out. Don't stop me there, idiot. Watch out.
Watch that fit there. Watch your mom. Watch the mom. Watch them up there, so guys. What's in there? I'm phone. I'm leaving it right, guys. The black plate there for the black road. Of course, I'll be there. But you can't have a template right there, so. I want to know about. Tell them I'm blue, guys. Tell them I'm blue.
12 seconds later.
Hey, I went to laugh when they said the hypocrites, them all the top boys, and me don't got no sense. Who will not stop laughing off of them? The two of them, the mark is the same. Wall a kick, wall a box, wall a top, them a jump. I put the rest up, them a try flop. Hold this, hold that, hold a kick, hold a box, hold a top, them a jump.
Yeah, man, them don't know.
Alright. Yeah. Nigga, Maya. Nigga, Maya. Nigga, Maya. Nigga, Maya. Nigga, Maya. Nigga, Maya. So we now do the after lesson check. After that, better day after.
One eternity later.
Guys, about 6:30 now, and no black that out, about 6:30 now, and we just do one performance. I may go clip it in the video too. So there is wait for next time to do the next segment. So yeah. Say hi, guys. Can I say hi? Yeah, bye guys.
Yeah, there's your picture hanging on the wall, and my heart cries out to know that you are gone. I said it's got to be there, still hanging on the wall. It's got to be there, still hanging on the wall. People said I'm a fool to say goodbye to you, but believe me, your picture's still hanging on the wall. Does it got to be there, still hanging on the wall? Oh Lord, I said it's got to be there, still hanging on the wall.
We're video live.
Sure thing now. We supposed to be best friends.
Sir, every time she says something else.
You have to make it dramatic, you understand?
But that's on somebody.
It's all right, ready. A percussion instrument. Percussion instrument.
Jump. A one person
One
answer.
somebody alone answer. Okay.
Everybody be saying perfect.
On the purple on in the red.
Exactly.
What is
Big one parish. So many to say.
just a nice little breeder. Celebrate 5. It's the first
Hey. Who's the man?
Percussion instrument, bro.
Yo.
Yo, my name is me and push up like what the hell?
Shaker. Battle. That's where Chipotle are in here.
Give me a new trend. See about bird.
Yeah, what continent?
What?
Continent.
What?
Continent.
What? Cuba?
I like our country actually. I like our country.
Yo, but it's not turning the landscape. We are vlogging.
Mr. Purple,
Listen.
Hold on.
So what's with this say now? Oh my god, that is so embarrassing.
Orange is a nutrient, guys.
Orange bad. And I could make a name for you.
I do think that. Oh, alright. Him never say Jembe, but he...
You're a drummer.
I don't say jump. Just say jump. Jump it. We need to make a page now and give them before they... So they can have another collaborator.
So I send me over to right now. We are making
Sharon? We're going to build a page now, yeah?
Say it again. Exactly. No, that's what it said.
You can stop the support of this.
I'm late.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe?
Subscription.
So what?
There's no type of subscription.
Eat up on the nutrients, on the orange and everything.
Yeah, orange is a nutrient. You see me? So you can start eating the orange them. Nutrient. Nutrient.
You see me? continent.
Cuba is a continent.
Cuba is a continent and not a country. Big up
We'll be standing taller to face the darkest and the hardest of times. We'll be taking care of all the children thereof. But if it's required, we'll be on the front line. You can call me by my name. I am ready to roll. Once the rules remain the same, how the story's been told. Call me anytime, never cop out. A resonance step on the right. Oh yeah.
So guys, we finished with the performance. We aced that up. We never that. You know, and you know, so if we never get 40 on TVJ, you know, so you can go on the YouTube. You see me where it's going to on this YouTube. So you can watch it on this YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, we are pack up now for go home. We got school. Yeah. We got school. I don't know why she calls school home, but because the regular